Introduce highlight features or overview summary of SUNVIVIPRO 3-in-1 single-serve coffee machine brewer. There are features include: one-touch convenience. Enjoy a seamless coffee experience with our user-friendly touchscreen. Simply tap to choose between 3 preset brewing options: strong coffee, iced coffee, or regular coffee. No complicated settings or accidental touches, just a clean, straightforward interface. Perfect for getting your ideal coffee with minimal effort. For iced coffee, manually add ice. All-in-one brew versatility. Whether you prefer the convenience of K-pods, the boldness of ground coffee, or a refreshing cup of tea, this machine offers you the flexibility to brew it all. Hot, cold, mild, or strong, you get to choose exactly what you crave. Brew in a flash. Brew your favorite coffee in under 90 seconds with the easy-to-use water tank, 6 to 14 ounces. Choose from 14 ounces regular, 8 ounces strong, or 12 ounces iced coffee options. Get cafe-quality results, quickly and smoothly. Simple cleaning function. Keep your coffee machine running like new with the simple self-cleaning feature. Just press and hold the regular button to activate cleaning or desk alling. It's that easy. Plus, the machine is dishwasher safe and includes an adjustable drip tray for convenient maintenance. Compact and portable. With its sleek design, 7.9 x 4.8 x 11.8 inch, this coffee maker is perfect for any space, from your countertop to your desk, or even for travel. Bring the perfect coffee experience wherever you go. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.